The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about that actor who loves to travel from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, but he never pays his taxi fare. Yes, you all guessed it right. He is no other than Sundarlal from Taarak Mehta Ka Oolta Chashma. So let's know more about him in detail. His real name is Mayur Vakani and he was born in 1976 in Ahmedabad. His father Bhim Vakani is a Gujarati theatre artist. He has also made small appearances in the show. Mayur has two younger sisters, Disha Vakani and Kushali Vakani. Yes, you heard it right. The brother-sister jodi of Sundarlal and Daya in the serial are real-life siblings. Mayur holds an MA degree in Indian culture, a diploma in sculpture and a diploma in drama. Being born to a theatre artist father, Mayur was inclined towards acting from a very young age. He started doing theatre when he was just 6 years old. Mayur started his acting career by doing a number of commercial plays. He then auditioned for various shows and played small characters in several TV shows. In 2006, he starred in the Gujarati romantic action film Ek Var Piyu Ne Malwa Auje. Subsequently, he bagged the role of Sundarlal. In addition to acting, he is also pursuing his profession as a sculptor. He was one of the leading members in making of Gujarat's Jhanki, to be displayed in the Republic Day's parade in Delhi. He was also the main person behind the decoration of the hall during the visit of Xi Jing Ping. Mayur has also carved out PM Modi's statue wearing the suit, which was auctioned for 4.31 crores to Surat-based businessman Laljhibai Patel. Talking about his personal life, Mayur married Himali Vakani. The couple has a son Tatya and a daughter Hasti. So this was the story of talented actor and sculptor Mayur Vakani. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.